Hi, my name's Tim Rice. I'm from Brighton, Michigan, and I've been in this industry of network marketing for a little over 20 years. And I have never seen a product or a company or a marketing plan anything like Dreamtree. We've got the perfect mix. We've got an owner that's got several years of experience, not only in network marketing, but in traditional business. He owned at one time 45 retail stores and did over $50 million in business. He knows how to ship products. He knows how to handle the infrastructure. He developed a product line that every single person you know needs. I can't think of anybody that doesn't drink water or take a shower. So we have products perfectly designed for every single person in the marketplace. And finally, we backed it with a compensation plan that will pay you for your efforts. If you've ever looked at another network marketing company before or ever looked at any type of home-based business, I'm going to tell you right now, I want you to compare them to Dreamtree. We've got all the bases covered. We have everything you need to make a financial home run here at Dreamtree. We'd love to have you take a look at the rest of the information so you can decide for yourself if the Dreamtree family is where you want to be. Like our founder Edmund Chun says, choose Dreamtree. Change your life and help us change the world.